Hello. Hello, Prakhar.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Am I audible?
yes, sir.
Okay. Voice is clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, fine. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Okay. So we were doing some questions based on list in
Yes,
Python, right?
yes.
So basic questions we did in last session. Now we will take some advanced questions as well. Do you know how to reverse the string?
Yes, sir.
What was the logic?
Sir, we can just say the name of the list,
Hmm.
uh, and then the square brackets, and then two colons and minus one.
Okay. And one student asked one question. Suppose we have a list, right? We have a list ls like this way, and here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, right? So I just want to print the numbers by skipping 2. I mean, if I print 1, then skip this one, right? Then print this. How will you do it? Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
We can,
Sir,
same way, we can skip like we reverse, okay? The same way we can skip. Let me show you in one question. So I'm taking a new program, list test.py. Okay. Suppose we have a list that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If I directly print the list, so that is simple logic. Okay, it will take some time, but yeah, this will start. So it is giving me the list over here. But what if I print like this colon colon and 2, right? See the output. Try to analyze this output and tell me what did you find. See again output, this one. Okay. My list is containing numbers from 1 to 10, but what we are doing, we are giving the number that will start from the first position and it will skip to second next value, right? So it is taking 1 and then it will skip to second number, this one. Again it will skip to this one. If I give 3, if I give 3 this way. So first number is printed, then it is 1, 2 and 3. So where
Yes.
now this number will be printed, then it will 1, 2 and then 3. 7 will be printed. Again 1, 2 and 3. So where the third 3 position is falling again from 1, then it will print the actual number. So that we need to keep in mind. Like reversing was quite easy using slicing. So this way we used to reverse the string, a list. Okay. So this way we can reverse the entire list, and this is useful syntax how we can print the next nth number. Next nth number. If I want the third, so it will take the first, then it will start from 1, 2 and 3 this way. Now we are taking another question. We have a list that is containing temperature, right? That is containing temperature, and this temperature is given in degree Celsius, and we need to convert it into Fahrenheit, correct? So let me take the list like this. We have this one 10, 5, 20, 34, correct? 35.5 something. Let me take some other 40.1. So this type of temperature is given in a list, and this one we are considering in Celsius temperature, correct? We need to convert this entire list in the list of Fahrenheit, correct? So the basic formula that we will be using, like F equal to 9 C upon 5, correct? Plus
Yes.
32 this way. So this is the basic formula that we normally use, and if it is required to round off, then we can round off as well. So to round off, we will be using round function, okay? And over there we will pass the value, whatever value we are getting, and up to how many places I want to round off. Right? Suppose I want to round off for 2 digit, then I will give 2. So this is the basic question that need to be done. So core logic that we have, we will take one by one temperature and we will be converting this into Fahrenheit and then we will be putting into another list. So either we can use looping concept or we can use direct shorthand, correct? So both approaches you can use. So let me comment this one, and here this list I am taking. Okay, let me create another list for an height, and here I will be using the shorthand. So I will say for T in, T means temperature from the temperature list, right? In temp. And whatever T we are getting from this loop, I will be doing operation for this one. Okay. So I will be also rounding off, round, and then I will apply the formula whatever I want. Okay. So T into 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and then we need to give 2. So is the bracket sequence okay? Let us check it once again. So here this one is opening. That means this one. Okay. This one is for the entire process. And here I will be using this one.
Yes.
So any doubt up to this point?
No, sir.
I am taking temperature one by one temperature from this list for T in temperature. Then for this T, I will be doing operation. Either I can directly use T, but now I need to perform some calculation, so I can perform the calculation, and then let us print the Fahrenheit temperature. So this way we can convert this in Fahrenheit. For better output, we can use print. So this will show from the new line. So this is the Fahrenheit temperature, and if we need, we can also print temperature in degree Celsius. So both will be side by side. So this one is temperature given in degree Celsius, and this one is given temperature into Fahrenheit based upon this formula.
Yes.
So this type of process we might be using in different data analysis operation. Another question we are taking. This was the first question. Now we have another question. We are given a list like 10, 15, something, 22, 33, 44, like this. Okay. So we need to create a list where even value is found, then it should give even. Where odd value is found, it should give odd, like this. So I need the result. So 10 is even number, so I want even over here. 15 is odd, so I need to represent this odd. 22 is even, again I will give even. 33 is odd, odd. 44 is even, so here even. This way. So did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Given list is this one. I need to get one by one value from this entire list, and then check each element of the list whether it is even or odd. Here we can use looping approach, or we can use direct shorthand approach.
Yes.
So here shorthand is much handy, so that we will be using. Otherwise If it is required, we can use this one. So let me rename numbers equal to this list. Quickly, I'm doing now because you are okay with these things. Result. So this list I am creating, and here I will be looping for n in numbers. Why this is identification is important. For n in nums. Okay. Now for this n, whatever n we are getting, we will be performing some operation. Okay. So I will say even even when if n modulo 2 equals 0 else odd else odd. So this is the quickest way. We are just looping internally for n in numbers, and for this n we are doing some operation. Even if n modulo 2 equals 0 else odd. So here we can find the result, whatever things we have. So I need to print this list as well, result, and now print it. Any doubt up to this point?
No, sir.
No problem. These are the small questions that we will be exploring, because once the understanding level is okay, then advanced questions we will be also. Now we want to show the numbers, show the numbers divisible by 3 and 5. Show the numbers divisible by 3 and 5.
Yes.
So I am giving you the logic. You note down the question and try at your end. What I will be doing in the first step, I will be using a loop, and for that loop, what I will do, I will use a range method. I will use a range method. So let me show you quickly, because why I am telling you to use the range. So the number 3 and 5, if so the number divisible by 3 and 5. So what is the range? For the range, okay, for the range 1 to 50. That means we will have to generate the numbers between 1 to 50 for each number what we are getting from this range. Let us take, we are getting value I, and for this I will be checking if this one is divisible by 3 and 5 or not. Got it?
Yes.
Simple thing we are just trying. So here I will be doing numbers. First, I need to generate the number. As per the logic, I need to generate the numbers between 1 to 50. So for 50, I need to generate up to 51. Okay. So I will just write for x in range 1 to 51. So this way it will run up to 1 to 50. Now I will check if x modulo 3 equals 0 and x modulo 5 equals 0. You might be surprised in the previous question. I am generating the number over here, then I am printing. Okay?
Yes.
But you are surprised. I am using the for loop. Then in the for loop body, I am doing this operation. Then whatever result I will get, I will correct.
Yes.
So this X I will be printing this way. For X in range this and this one inside the loop. If X modulo 3 equals 0 and X modulo 5 equals 0, then take the value of X into the numbers list. Just print the numbers here. Got it?
Yes.
These are the numbers divisible by 3 and 5. Let us take 101. Again run it. We have numbers divisible by 3 and 5. Now I will take another question, that is to normalize the value. So our question is to normalize marks of students. Correct? So the basic formula for normalization is x minus minimum value divided by max minus min. Max minus min. This is the formula. So this will normalize the value and will keep between 0 and 1. Okay. This will result the things between 0 and 1 only. 0 and 1. So sometimes I will be required to check the probability or something. So I will be using the normalization the formula. X minus minimum value of the list, then max minus min. So first I need to find the maximum of the list, then minimum of the list. Then X is the first element, whatever the element we are getting from the list. So let us take a question. Are you getting the question what I am saying? So
So
I
but
hmm,
what is the exact meaning of doing a normalization?
okay. Suppose I am having marks 60, 72, 80, okay, 90 and 100. After normalization, my result should be 0, 0.0, 0.3, 0.5 like this. 0.5 like this. Yes, this will be 0.5. So normalization means you are working with some probability, given probability value. You are already given some probability value 0, 0.76 something, right? So
Yes.
directly I cannot use the probability. It is the probability of the placement and it is the probability of marks. Okay. So I need to match the probability to probability. I directly I cannot match the probability to marks. Got it?
Yes.
If marks are given after assessment, marks of each student are given, but I am given a set of list. If probability matches with 0.0.33 0.34 or 0.76 or 0.5, then that student will be placed. So what I need to do? These marks needs to be normalized first. So I will be making it between 0 and 1. Now I will match this value. If this value is matching in any of the element of this list, correct? So that
Yes.
student will be placed. I will take another value and then I will check in this entire list if it is matching to any of the element, then this second student will be placed. Got it?
Yes.
So if the placement score given in the form of probability, but marks are given, so that time we need to normalize the things. Or directly you can say if we have direct value, integer value, but we need to match it with the probability values, we need to do the normalization. Correct? Whenever. So let us take the example. I am creating a list of marks over here and let us take 60, 72 and what we had 80, take 90 or 100 something, right? So what is the formula? Maximum value and minimum value.
Minimum.
I need to find the maximum value and minimum value.
Minimum.
So what I will do, I will write max. I am taking variable max underscore m equal to max of marks. Okay. And I'm taking another variable minimum marks like this. Then I will use min function and marks. Got it? I am doing this in two lines. By positioning, we can do it in single line. I'll show you like this way. Uh, max m, comma, min m. Correct? Min m. And directly I can write max of marks, max of marks, comma, min of marks, min of marks. So I can do this in two lines, but I can do this in one line. So this first value will be assigned to the first variable, the second value will be assigned to the second variable. Correct?
Yes.
So this way we can also do it. What is this called? Do you remember?
Uh, sorry,
We used asterisk
isn't it
argument.
shorthand? It's not shorthand.
It's a shorthand, already shorthand, but there is a terminology. Arbitrary arguments we used to handle, right? We have 10 argument, but I want to place 3 argument in one variable, 7 argument in
Yes.
another variable,
Yes.
correct? So this
Yes.
way I will be covering that concept, but here I can do this in one line as well. That is, so minimum and maximum values are obtained. Now I need to do the normalization. So I will be directly using a list normalization and directly I will be iterating over this for x in marks. Okay, x in marks. So one by one marks I will be getting. Now here in the left side I will be doing the operation. So whatever x is coming from this loop, okay, for x in marks, that x will be coming out over here. But I need to perform some calculation. So x minus minimum marks divided by maximum marks minus minimum marks.
yes,
Correct? So this consider this one is the x. This one is the x.
yes,
What we use to put in list, but I am performing some operation over x. So I am for normalization purpose. So that's why I am doing. Now print this list. So this will be giving you the normalized list bit and all these values between 0 and 1 only. All these values will be between 0 and 1. Now you have converted this value into probability based 0 and 1. So if you need to match with another probability based data, then you can do. Directly we cannot do it, okay? That's why I need to use the normalization formula, and this formula is widely used in data analysis, and the formula is x minus minimum divided by max minus min. Correct? So note down this one. Then we will proceed to another question. So these questions are little bit smarter question than the previous one. Okay?
yes,
Hmm. Because earlier only very basic questions were completed. Now I'm proceeding towards the advanced question for your practice level. That's why I'm telling you. Now we are taking another question that is based on word filtering. We already did some like find the values starting from A and same you used in SQL. Remember,
yes,
you used to write the query select asterisk from whatever table you have EMP, right? Where
yes,
name like so name like and we used wildcard starting from suppose I am telling starting from capital R, then we use like this, correct? So
yes,
same thing we will be implementing. Same thing we will be implementing in Python as well. Okay. So the question we are taking is we have a list of words. We have a list of words and take some random word like Python, comma, some meaningful word I'm taking data, right? And then we have machine related to our topic only, learning, AI, all that we can take. Okay. And deep learning, deep. This list we have. Okay. Now my question is, first question, words more than 5 letters. Find the words more than 5 letters. Got it?
yes,
Find the words more than 5 letters. This word is having how many letters? 3, 2, 6, 6, right? This one is having 4. This one is having, correct? This one is having
yes,
2 letter. This one is having 4 letter. So, my question is first question, words more than 5 letters. Second question that we will be covering, words containing A. Words containing A. That means this one is having A, this one is having A, learning is having A, and no other is. Next question, count word starting with P. Count words starting with P. Okay.
Yes.
Pa- P means this one is starting from P, Python, and no other word is starting from P, right? So this is the question that we need to do. Now you need to create the basic logic in your mind or copy before proceeding. Okay. First question is telling you find the words
More than five
more
letters.
than five letters.
Mm,
That means
yes.
I will be taking each and every word,
One
then
word.
getting the length.
Getting length.
And
Yes.
if that length
It's
is
greater than five.
greater than 5, then I will put into another list.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So let us do it. So let me copy this one first. And here, let me comment all this. Okay, fine. Is anything missing? Why red is squiggling line?
There's a space in starting.
Yes, indentation issue, right? Okay. Hmm. Words Python. So I need to find the long word list. So let me create a list long words. Correct? So I will be implementing my logic. First, I need to take one by one word. Okay? One by one word, and then find the length of each word. So I will just write for W in words, for W in words. Inside the for loop, what I will do? I will use the if condition. Correct? If length of that word, if length of that word W is greater than 5. Got it? Then take,
Yes. Uh, can't we check this condition in starting? Like in some of the cases.
in the left side you want.
Yes.
You can try and I will tell you the reason. Like this you are asking, na?
Yes, sir. Like why?
For any numbers. What is happening over here? Directly n is coming out. Okay?
Yes.
There is no subsequent operation in the for loop body. Whatever
Yes.
n is we are getting, we are directly doing operation on it. But in comparison to this one, in comparison to this one is also having for x in marks. So whatever x we are getting, we are just doing operation. We are doing manipulation, right? We are just doing manipulation. Same way, what is happening? I am taking w in words. If so, this is the subsequent condition. If this condition is satisfied, it is we are not checking the condition, right? If this one is true or false. Got it?
Yes.
We are not checking any condition. We are not checking any condition. See, we are just putting if even if this is happening. But we can try as you are saying. So for W in words, if
Yes.
length greater than 5, then take that word. Got it? And let me print this one. So for the better visibility, I am using print and then print words. Let me run it. See, I am getting all the words which of which length is greater than 5. AI is not coming. I can say if it is equal to 2, then
Yes.
I will get AI. See, but my question was to find out the words whose length. is greater than 5. So
Yes.
I am taking this one. Now I will transform this as you are saying and let us try what will happen to it. So if I am working like this way, okay,
Yes.
see what is saying. Expected else part. Else is also requirement, right?
Yes.
Else is also required. So in the previous question, we are getting the value, we are just doing the manipulation, but in this question, if and if, only if, but take this one. Else is the right given over here, correct? So
Yes.
if I need to do this, so it must have else part as well. Then it will work. Got it? So always remember.
Yes.
So let me remove this one and run it again. So we are getting answer as per the requirement. Now the second question is words containing A. Words containing A. Now you tell me the logic. This is the very simple part. I am creating a list word with A. Now you think and tell me. Take every word from the list, right?
Yes.
Then what? How I will write it? Take every word from list.
Excellent.
For W in words. Correct? Now apply the if condition. If else, if it is given, then we can write in the left side. But if we have only if part, then we can write in the right side. So I will check if A is present in W. If A is present in W, then use this W in my list. Got it? Hmm. Any doubt?
So
Print.
I didn't knew that. So we can directly say that if A in W. I didn't know that.
You don't know.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it.
Let me cut this one first of all. And let me take small part. I have a
Yes.
text. Suppose txt equal to Barabanki. Correct? Barabanki dot org. I want to check if our org is there or not. Okay? So I will directly check this word. If we can check something in the list directly. If org in the text, if org in the text,
Text.
then print found. Then print
Yes.
found.
Found.
Else, okay, print not found. Not found. Now run
Yes.
it. And you already did .com is there. Remember the question.
Yes.
Dot. Same thing we are doing, right? If I am saying something like we have another test, the quick brown fox jumped jumps over a lazy dog. This sentence is having all the 26 alphabet. Correct? The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. So I want to find if dog is there or not in this string value. Correct? So this will give me answer found. If I give cat, so cat is not there in this sentence. So this is why it is giving not found. Got it?
Yes.
Now come to our main question. So that I am doing. So these basics are important to practice. So my entire question was this, and let me correct the indentation this way. So this is the list we are having. First question was to find each word and check length of each word. If it is greater than 5, then take that W in the list, and it is only having if, we can write in the left side as well, but if it is having if and else part, then that will happen, otherwise not. Correct? Same way, I am taking one by one word in the from this list. W in word. Now match with this syntax. Same thing I am doing, right? If A in W. If A in W. If A is present in W. W means every word, single word, whatever I am getting from this list. Then use this W in my list. Got it? So here
Yes.
we can print words with A. Now run it. Words with A. This one first. Any
Yes. Yes.
third question? What question we have? Count words starting with P. Count words starting with P.
Document P.
Okay. Now you words with P, and I will take one by one word for W in words, correct? And then put the condition if W dot starts with, there is a function, correct? W dot starts, starts, starts with, and if starts with P, then take that W, correct?
Yes.
Now I will print this one, words P. So in the last I'm putting print words with P. Now run it. See, Python. If I change something, I put Jython. Jython people are inspiring with Java and Python, right? That's why Jython. And I want to check with J. If word is starting with J, then this will be printed. So now you learn how to play with this list, correct? You are able to find if something is existing in the list, if it is starting with particular thing, if it is starting with particular length. Okay, so everything you are, and similarly I am repeating this one. Okay, so if I am repeating, so in list repetition is allowed. So but I am putting J, I should put P. This, yeah. So the repeated words. But if somebody is asking you to give me the unique, I don't want repeated. So next select query, you remember, same question I will be doing. Select query, you remember this type of thing we used in the SQL. I use select top 10, top 5 like this. Do you remember?
Yes. Yes,
From
sir.
imply where name like, correct? Or something, anything. Name like, or name containing R, correct?
Yes.
So there
Yes,
can
sir.
be
We will be doing the same thing here.
in next question, in the
Yes, sir.
next question I will be doing, correct? So definitely my question is to count. Still, this question is not completed. I found words starting with P, but I need to count. Correct?
Yes.
So, what I will do? Whatever list I am getting in the answer, now I need to count the length of this. Correct? So, simply I can put len function over here or else over here. Correct?
Yes.
So, I can put len and this will give the length of this list. Or else we can directly len method over here. Now the count is 2 because Python is 2 times and starting with P 2 times. Got it?
Yes.
Hmm. So these questions are some logic building based questions. Now I will do some price analysis. So let me proceed with another question. Hypothetically, we have some prices, correct? And let's say the Diwali price is 22 for something, 340, right? 560, comma 560. I think we can take 560 randomly, 450 or something, 210, or we can 900, right? We can 760 something, 800 something. Random prices we have, right? I need to find same thing like SQL. Find top three highest, top three highest
Highest.
price. Simple. Find top three highest price. One question. Another question. Find top three highest and remove prices greater than 500.
Yes.
What will be the logic? Let us forget this one for some time. Take this. Find top three highest.
Sir. Yes. Remove prices. Sir, for the top three highest,
If the question was top three highest, nothing.
yes.
If the question was, let us take this one first. Top three highest. What will be the logic? I need to sort this list in,
Yes, and then
in descending order. Got it? And then we can do the slicing.
yes.
Correct?
Yes.
We can arrange these values in descending order. Then we can do the slicing and get only three elements from starting. So that
yes,
in this way I will be able to get top three highest values. Correct?
yes,
Same thing was here. Select top five asterisk from employee where salary was something. Correct? Same thing
yes,
we have. So that is equivalent to same question. So I will be using, let me comment this one first and copy this entire list. Prices we have. Now I need top three. Top three.
yes,
So what I will do, let me show you something sorted only first. How we show that. So for that I will use sorted and then I will pass prices over here. Then give reverse equal to true. Correct?
yes,
Simply this will give me the sorted values. Here, see in the terminal, I put the print function so that visibility gets clear. Now it's okay. Correct? See in the terminal. 900, 800, 760, 560, 450, 340, 210, 120. That value we are getting. And now if I need these three values, right? So we can
yes,
do the slicing, but we need to put this in the list, right? First,
yes,
before doing. So I will just say, give me up to this point, values up to this
this
point,
one, yes,
correct? First do the sorting and then give the three. See the answer. What I am getting? Top three.
yes,
Slicing was something different, right? Now,
yes,
if you write like this way, print and prices like this, na? Three.
yes,
Before sorting. Before sorting. So before sorting, it would be like this, three. But here I am doing the sorting first. Here I am doing the sorting first. Once all these values are sorted, then I am converting this one into list and taking 0, 1 and 2 position value.
yes,
Correct? Now I need to apply a filter. For second question, top three highest you are able to find. If somebody is asking top 10 highest, top 2 highest, you can do in the same way. You can do in the same way.
yes,
But remember the analogy, we need to sort the value this in descending order, then find whatever the top 3, top 5, top n values are required, then we can put over here simply. Now, if this one is saying find top 3 highest and remove greater than 500. So there can be possibility if something is having more than 500, then how I will tackle, right? So definitely I will do the sorting, correct? I will do the top 3 is something different question. Now I have to filter. I have to filter the value.
filter,
So let me take variable filtered values like this. and I will write for P in prices. Let me copy this one because need to be careful. If P, what was the question?
For the top 3 and 500 greater.
Hmm. So if I will use the reverse opposite to it, correct? Prices less equal 5. So this is the filtered value and that P I will be using. So any logic greater than, less than, whatever you want in your question, you can use filtered values. So if something less equals 500, that value will be only there. If I need to put my own questions logic, then I can do this one. Correct?
Yes.
So this way we can do some price analysis or something. Now we are taking a sales analysis question. Sales analysis question. But in SQL, that will be a simple SQL query, correct? That's why for data analysis, Excel, Python, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. These five skills are job providing skills that are offering up to 8 lakh package in the market. So two things you are already learning Python and SQL. SQL, Power BI, and Tableau. Once you learn, you and in background you are also learning statistics, right? And R. So that particular thing will be completed quickly. But yes, for becoming a data scientist, there is long story. So that need to be followed and practiced. Okay. So I will be doing a sales analysis question. Question for sales analysis. Sales analysis. So my question is, suppose we are given sales values and some sales values like 12,000 something, correct? 18,000, right? 21,000 something. Put comma over here. 17,000, 16,000, 25,000, 19,000, 20,000. Like this, we have some data, right? So I need to find the total sales. Basic questions. Find total sales, correct? Then I need to find average sales, right? Then a percentage contribution, percentage contribution, and max sale of the day. Max sale of the max sale day. Simple, max sale day. Four questions we have. Find total, right? Average sale. Then I need to find percentage contribution and max sale day. I mean to find in which day the day sale was maximum. This is the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, right? I need to find. So let us start. Question is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me comment this one. we have this sales data and I need to find the total. The total how I can find? Tell me.
So,
Some function?
so by loop we can also
Yes, yes, we
some
can do, or else we can use some function. Sales, average function, average I want, right? So I will do total divided by
length of
length and what is how many values are there. This is giving the and percentage contribution. So for contribution, I will be taking one by one value and then finding the percentage of it. Okay. So for S in sales and for that S value, I will use round and inside this that S divided by total. So just creating percentage of it. Okay. Just creating percentage of it multiplied by 100, then I will give comma to something. Correct? So, is there any braces missing? I believe no, no, was not closed.
so,
So, this one is closed. Why this is coming? Brace is closed, right? For S in sales. Okay. Then I will use round. Inside the round function, I will be using this comma 2 up to two places. Then I will s divided by total and then multiplied by 100. Correct? This way.
yes.
So this will give me. Then I need to find next max sale day. Max sale day. So I need to find the index, correct? Max sale day. So I will find the max day and max sale. So max day, how I will find? First max day. So I will use sales dot index of maximum sale. Correct?
Yes.
Maximum sales. So maximum sales first I will found wherever maximum sale will be found that index I will be storing this. Correct? I need index. Now I can print all these things. So first I need to print total. So total we have variable total. Next we have average. average sale. So we have AVG, and then we have contribution, print contribution percentage, contribution percentage. So I have contribution, no, this one, right? Then we have max sale day and max sale, correct? So max sale day. So day means index, correct? This is the first day, second day, fourth day, fifth day, or you can say it will start from 0, then that is also fine. We can do. So max day, sales index dot max sale. So max day we have this one, comma, and again we have value for that day, value of sales. So value of sales, that is sales. From sales list I will pass the index, correct? Max day, correct? So max day I found, then for that day whatever I am getting, let us check it this. So let me put it from the new line. So we are able to find total sale is this, average sale is this, contribution, correct? If the contribute total sale is 100%, so what is the contribution on each day, correct?
Yes.
What is the contribution on each day? If the sale is 100%, this one is the 100% sale. So on the first day, the 8.1% sales was done, 12.16 percentage was done on the next day 14.19 percentage was done. Getting it?
Yes.
Hmm. And max sale day is 5. So I am able to find the max sale day, and on that max sale day how much sales was done. Correct? On fifth day there was max sale, that was 25,000. Any doubt up to this point?
No,
Hmm.
sir, no, it's not.
These questions are better enough to build your logic.
Yes.
Hmm. Now we will have some other advanced questions based on this, like text analysis and something. We will be handling with duplicate. We will be handling with the smallest, largest value, common element, profit analysis, temperature analysis, all that we will be doing. So you want break, or else we should keep continue, or on another day? What do you think?
Sir, I think I will need to practice these first.
Yes. Okay. So I'm sharing these questions and on these things. So do practice, and